In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add additional lines or series to a chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're working on financial reports, analyzing data trends, or making planning spreadsheets, adding multiple series to your chart can help convey your data story with clarity and precision. Let's dive in and walk through each step together, making sure you're confident in growing your data visualizations. First up, we'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Here, you can choose an existing spreadsheet or create a new one if you'd like to start fresh. Opening your sheet gives you access to the data set you want to visualize. Once you're in, it's important to ensure that your data is well organized with labels on top for easy identification in your chart. Next, you'll want to highlight the cells that contain the data you plan to include in your chart. Click at the start of the data range, hold down your mouse button, and drag to the end point of the data area. This selection not only marks the data you initially want to chart, but also serves as the starting point for any additional series you'd like to add. If your data is already contiguous, this process will be quick and simple. Now, to chart your data, click on the Insert option in the menu at the top of the screen. This will provide you with a drop-down list where you can find the Chart option. Click on it and a chart will automatically be created based on your selected data range, which will appear on your sheet. At this point, Google Sheets usually defaults to a column chart, but don't worry, this is something we can easily adjust. Once your chart is created, you'll notice the Chart Editor panel appears on the right. This tool is what you'll be using to customize your chart further. In the chart editor, you first need to ensure that the data range is correctly set. Locate the data range section and ensure it includes all the data from your table. This is crucial for visualizing all relevant information initially loaded into your Google Sheet. To add more lines to your chart, head back to the chart editor. You'll see an option labeled Add Series. By clicking this, you're able to identify and select additional data points or columns from your sheet that weren't included in your initial selection. Simply navigate through your Google Sheet data to select these specific cells. Once your desired series are added, they will immediately integrate into your chart, enhancing it with more layers of data. In summary, the process of adding series to a chart in Google Sheets involves selecting your data, creating a basic chart, and then customizing it by adding series. This series addition empowers your chart with a richer, more detailed representation of your data story. By following these steps, you can ensure clarity and depth in your Google Sheets visualizations, presenting your insights in a powerful and accessible manner.